If by now you don't know what a mouse bungee is, well, it won't be the end of the world or something, but yeah. Anyways, in this video we are going to make one for ourselves, and this is the mouse bungee 2.0. Yeah, I did make a 1.0 and I got much love for that, thank you. But it did look kinda generic, so I tried to solve that with the 2.0. Now this is almost as simple, if not simpler, than the earlier model, but it surely does look neat. Now you don't need many materials for this. The star of the base here is the paper tape. I regret not using this in more of my earlier projects. This is a perfect thing for any robust base. And then you'll need M-Seal. Any art and craft M-Seal would do just fine. Of course, handy dandy glue, Fevicol or whatever you want to use, and then this is a hot glue gun refill. So it is available in two thickness options. The thinner one seemed like a better option for my mouse cable thickness, but if your mouse cable is thicker than usual, go on with the thicker one. This is perfect to be the flexible part of the bungee. And lastly, a thin piece of cardboard. I repeat, it has to be thin or the aesthetics would be ruined. Yeah, that is something if you care about. And I am using a phone cover box from HTC, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's start with tracing the outline of the tape on the cardboard. One side needs the outer edge and the other needs the inner edge. Do that and cut it as neatly as you can using a paper cutter. Use scissors to smoothen out the excess around. It should fit around and look somewhat like this. Set that aside for now and bring up the hot glue gun stick. So it will be in an angle on the base, approximately it should look like this. So yeah, first shorten it out to approximately 15 to 17 centimeters. Next up you will make a slant cut on the bottom end that will go inside the base. Now for the toughest job. You have to cut a crease for the mouse cable that we are using. That should run around 7 to 8 centimeters. Now you can do it with the paper cutter, but that would be kinda tough. What I'd recommend using here is carving tools, which you can find in your local stationery stores quite easily, and try to keep the upper edge of the crease smaller so that the cable fits in snugly. Now take your time and do this carefully. It is a bit risky, saying that from experience. Yeah, so it should look something like this. Not the most beautiful, but it will be covered anyways by the cable. So check if the cable fits in fine and make the adjustments if necessary. Alright, so before making the M-Seal, it is better to outline the hot glue gun stick on the center of the top piece of the cardboard and cut that out. Also glue in the bottom piece on the tape and let it stay for some time to dry up. On to the nasty work. So don't forget to use a platform or a piece of cardboard, even so that your desk doesn't get destroyed. Now you know the drill, open it all up, mix them well till it's smooth. Now you gotta do the next step on your own touch. So take out the top piece and set the glue stick to one corner. Use the M-Seal to keep it at that angle, and yeah, try to place it in such a way that it actually passes through the middle of the top piece. And you're almost done here, but it does feel kinda less heavy than I wanted it to be, so I just glued in an eraser as well. You can use more M-Seal as well. So place the top piece through the glue stick and fix that with glue. Looks like something, doesn't it? Now at this point it is completely functional and you can use it, but I had white cardboard pieces, so it already looks kinda cool. For any other color, I'd suggest paint it all in one color. Spray paint would work the best, but I'll just paint the tape as these edges are just bothering me too much. And yeah, that's it. I mean, I didn't want to put up my logo just cause it would not be too minimalistic, and it works quite good as I was expecting it to work. It looks freaking amazing on my desk. All said, thank you for watching. Of course, if you have any doubts, shoot them up in the comment section down below. Until the next video, I am Samyak Bakliwal here, and I will catch you guys